Did you know Google Gemini now lets you create 30-second music tracks like this from just a simple prompt?
Shining Mercury, hot, hot Venus, our blue Earth and red planet Mars.
In this video, I'll show you how to do it. As educators, we're always looking for ways to make our content more resonant and memorable, and Google Gemini has a new tool that will help us with that. It's called Lyria 3, and it's an advanced audio generation model built into Google Gemini. Unlike basic AI voice generators, it understands rhythm, genre, and lyrical context. For Teach, this means we can now create bespoke, high-quality songs for any subject, from phonics in primary school to complex historical themes in secondary school in just a few seconds. So let's start with the primary school example. Getting younger students to remember specific sounds or classroom routines is much easier when there's a melody attached to it. So we're going to use Google Gemini to do this. So to start, go into Gemini, and then where you've got the prompt box, click on Tools and select Create Music. This activates the Lyria model, and it will show on screen the types of song that it will produce. I'm going to then make sure that thinking mode is turned on if you can. That helps get a higher quality response. And then I'm going to type in my prompt, create a catchy upbeat pop song for 5-year-olds about the ch sound. Include the words chair, check and chime. Make it 30 seconds long with a clear female vocal. Generation takes a few seconds, and let's hear what it produced.
Let's all learn the ch sound now. Clap your hands and show us how. Take a seat upon your chair. Learning time is in the air.
So you could use this during a morning carpet session, or maybe as a transition song between carpet and tape. You don't have to spend time searching things on YouTube, you can just generate them yourselves. Here's a secondary example as well. Often the challenge is engagement and making dry facts stick. Music can be a powerful hook for a new topic. So let's try a prompt for a Year 9 history class. I'll ask Lyria to help create a hip-hop track about the origins of the First World War. I'm going to specify a genre so we can create something that sounds a little bit more real to the students than a standard textbook summary. So the prompt I'm going to use is create a 90s style boom bap hip-hop track about the causes of World War I. Include the terms alliances, imperialism and Sarajevo. Male vocals, gritty rhythm. Again, make sure Tools is switched to create song and your mode is set to thinking. Let's hear what we get.
Yo, check the lesson, this is how the whole mess began. A tangled web of alliances across the land. Great powers pushing imperialism, trying to grab more territory. Every nation writing their own glory story. Archduke Ferdinand in the streets of Sarajevo. One single shot was the spark, now everybody's gotta go. It's the Great War.
So you can use these tracks maybe as a do now activity, have the students listen to the lyrics, identify the key terms, use the song's tone to start discussion about the mood of that historical period. One of Lyria's most impressive features is its ability to see an image and translate it into sound. This is fantastic for creative writing. So I'm going to upload this photo of a rainforest and ask Gemini to turn it into a song. Lyria will analyse the visual data, the green canopy, the water, the mist, etc. and create a matching soundscape. So the prompt I'm going to use is analyse this image of the Amazon rainforest and create an atmospheric ambient track that matches the mood. Use sounds of rains and birds. So I can click on the plus down here and I can choose upload files and then browse to the picture I want, or I can drag it across from a folder already, drop it into the prompt box, it'll upload the image there. Make sure I've got create music set, make sure thinking set, click submit, it'll generate the song for me. So imagine showing a piece of art or an image about a geographical landmark and having a unique soundtrack playing to set the scene for descriptive writing tasks. It can create an immersive environment that really helps students focus. Now, limitations to this is that the current version of Lyria is limited to 30-second clips. So while you can't create a full-length track yet, 30 seconds is actually the perfect length for a classroom hook or a transition cue. You can download these tracks directly to your computer. Click on the download icon there. You can download it as an MP3 file or as a video file. These can be embedded into your PowerPoint or into your Google Slides. So it's a simple way to bring a little bit more creativity into your planning. Give it a try this week. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear what prompts work for you in your subject. Put them in the comments below. Hope you found that video useful. Please like and subscribe. I'll be back with some more AI tools very soon. Thanks very much for your time. Cheers. Goodbye.